What's up guys, today's video review of the best yoga mats. To find the best yoga mats, we tested the top 5 mats at home 1 week period. After over 3 days of testing, we evaluated how well each mat unrolled and laid flat, how well the padding and thickness supported our practice, whether the mat provided a non-slip surface, and how portable they were. We also evaluated whether the mats could withstand sweat and humidity without growing slippery. Finally, we cleaned them to ensure they were easy to take care of over time. Our top picks are ideal for hot yoga, traveling, at-home use, and more. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BalanceFrom GoYoga All-Purpose Yoga Mat. Measuring almost 13 millimeters, this mat was easily the thickest in our test. The foam material is softer and lends more supple cushioning than any other we tested, which is great for anyone with sensitive joints or who wants a versatile mat to aid them in bodyweight exercises. And for a fraction of the cost of most other mats on our list, we like that this one has all the grip and padding you'd expect. However, such a thick mat may make you feel less stable or grounded in certain poses, especially when you need to focus on balance. A thinner mat may be better for yoga, while a thicker mat is a better choice if you want to use it for pilates or other workouts. Ultimately, yoga mat thickness is a matter of personal preference. Despite providing good grip even during the sweat test, we found that this mat occasionally made squeaking noises when transitioning into certain poses. The noise was distracting, so we wouldn't recommend it to anyone who prefers a more meditative practice. It's also worth noting that it takes time to lay completely flat after pulling it out of the box. Number 2. Amazon Basics 1/2 inches Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. Amazon Basics makes plenty of high-quality products, and this extra thick exercise yoga mat is no exception. We like the versatility of this mat provided by its 1/2 inches thickness, making it a good choice for all types of exercises. During testing, it was used for planks and wall handstands, as well as yoga, and provided plenty of cushioning and stability. We also noted there was no slipping even when hands and feet were sweaty. Despite its thickness, this mat, made of foam rubber, still weighs under 3 pounds, so it's lightweight and easy to carry with the included strap. It has a smooth side and a textured side to provide comfort, support, and stability no matter what exercise you're doing. We noted the mat has a mild plastic smell and doesn't stay rolled without the strap. Still, we think it's the best value for a yoga mat on Amazon, and we like that it comes in multiple colors. Number 3. IUGA Pro Non-Slip Yoga Mat. While most mats made from natural rubber can be heavy, IUGA's Pro Non-Slip Yoga Mat weighs in at a relatively light and comfortable to carry 2.2 pounds. The manufacturer records 2.8 pounds, but we found it to be lighter when we weighed it in our lab. We also love that it comes with a carrying strap for trips to and from the studio or gym. The drawback to such a light mat, however, is that it doesn't have the heft to lay perfectly flat out of the box like some of the heavier mats we tested. As a result, it only received a score of 2 out of 5 for unboxing. The 5mm thick IUGA has the distinction of being one of the grippiest mats from our test. This mat also excelled during our sweat test, making it a great pick for anyone who regularly practices hot yoga. It's also worth noting that the manufacturer states this mat is odorless, but the rubbery smell was evident when we were laying on the mat during child's pose. Number 4. Jade Yoga XW Fusion Yoga Mat. This mat from Jade Yoga will help your practice feel luxurious. The mat is 8mm thick and is available in an 80 inches length for plenty of grippy surface area. It has a higher price point than most other mats we tested, but we think the size, cushioning, and quality of materials make it worth the splurge. The XW Fusion mat is made from sustainable, natural rubber, and we like that Jade Yoga plants a tree for every mat sold. In testing, we found that the mat provided substantial cushioning but still had some give to it to allow for stability. The grip is solid even when sweating, and the texture feels pleasant and kept us from sliding around. We noticed that the size of this mat can make it a little cumbersome to roll up and bulky to travel with, but the texture and grip keep it rolled well to help improve your daily practice. Number 5. Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. If you've been looking at yoga mats with the intention of making an investment that will stand the test of time, then chances are good you've at least heard of Manduka's Pro Yoga Mat. It has a reputation for being one of the highest quality mats available, and is often the pick of seasoned yogas and instructors. And in our test, we found that it held up to the hype. The Manduka Pro is known for requiring a bit of a break-in period before it becomes the non-slip mat people rave about. Compared to some of the other mats we tested, like Manduka's Eco Superlight Travel Yoga Mat, we were impressed by its out-of-the-box grip. We didn't need to use a yoga towel to prevent slipping, like the brand recommended. We tested the long version of this mat. It's available in 2 lengths, and with length comes weight. At 8.8 pounds, the Manduka Pro was easily the heaviest mat we tested. Notably, the manufacturer states that it weighs 9.5 pounds. For such a heavy mat, and at this higher price point, we wish it came with a bag or carrying strap. For these reasons, this mat had some of the lowest portability, storage, and care scores of the entire test, at a 3 out of 5. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, and check pricing on the product mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description.